Moko kuom jopuonj mag junior secondary koro dwaro ni piny owacho e bwo migawo mar somo mondo migi thuolo mar tayo chenro mag junior secondary ma ok gibedi e bwo skunde mag primary. Ka giloso Mombasa e bwo riwruok ma gidendo ni Kenya Junior Secondary School Teachers Association Kejusta, jopuonj go koni onge lemo moro amora mimiyogi kaka jopuonj junior secondary, gino magikoni mayogi mijing'o matiyo kaka owinjore. Kotelnegi kod jakomgi ma Kojolo James Odhiambo, gidwa ni mondo migi thuolo mar tayo skunde mag junior secondary gin giwegi, to chutho ni mar kit lony ma gin godo kod gigo mipuonjo opogore gi mago manie skunde mag primary.
Imefika ambaye tupate autonomy. Tukisema autonomy, when we talk about autonomy, we need a separate and distinct junior school, just like we have senior school. We are aware that junior school has 3 classes, grade 7, 8, and 9. That is the same with the senior school that also have 3 classes, grade 10, 11, and 12. So what will it be very difficult for the Ministry of Education to grant junior school an autonomy. They can be within the same primary school establishment, but having a separate and distinct administration, structures, and leadership.
Mwalimu ambaye aliserve kama intern miaka 2 ama mwaka 1 na sasa ameajiriwa kama mwalimu wa PNP na bado kutoka job group ya C2 ama C1 kwenda nyingine, sheria ambayo iliwekwa kitambo ya kwamba asafu miaka 3 inamdhulumu huyu mwalimu, kwa sababu tayari yeye ashafundisha miaka 2, mwaka 1, tuanze kuhesabu kutoka hapo. Hiyo sheria ibadilishwe, kama internship program itabaki kuwa sheria. Lakini pia tunaomba kwamba mwalimu wa JS apoe fursa sawasawa ya kuendelea in terms of career progression.